Pseudostratified columnar epithelium. Pseudostratified columnar epithelium consists of a single layer of closely packed cells that appear multilayered due to their nuclei being at different levels. However, despite this false stratification, all cells are in direct contact with the basement membrane, which classifies it as a simple epithelium rather than a stratified one. Why is it called pseudostratified? Although it appears to be multilayered, all cells are attached to the basement membrane, making it a single-layered epithelium. The nuclei are at different levels, creating the illusion of stratification. Key characteristics of pseudostratified columnar epithelium. It appears multilayered but is single-layered. The cells are columnar with nuclei positioned at different levels. However, all cells are anchored to the basement membrane, confirming it as a single-layered epithelium. Cells are taller than they are wide, giving them a column-like appearance. In the respiratory tract, it contains cilia and goblet cells. Cilia help move mucus and trapped particles out of the airways by a mucociliary clearance. Goblet cells secrete mucus, providing protection and moisture. In the male reproductive system, it has stereocilia, which are long microvilli that increase surface area for sperm maturation and absorption. Locations and functions of pseudostratified columnar epithelium. It depends on whether it is ciliate or non-ciliate. In the respiratory tract, it lines the trachea, bronchi, and nasal cavity. The goblet cells secrete mucus, while cilia trap and clear debris. In the male reproductive system, the non-ciliate form is found in the epididymis and vas deferens, where it assists in sperm maturation and transport.